Did you know that the Devil's Comet, a celestial object of terror and wonder, has an orbit that brings it near Earth every 666 years? Tonight, we're unraveling the mysteries of the Devil's Comet. What causes its outbursts? Is it a threat to Earth? Join me as we dive deep into the heart of this cosmic oddity. Think of a comet, but not just any comet. This one has a dark secret. Every few decades it awakens, sprouting horns of glowing gas and dust. Astronomers call it Comet 12P Pons-Brooks, but some have a more chilling nickname, the Devil's Comet. Comets and asteroids, frozen relics from the dawn of our solar system, carry secrets from the cosmos. But the Devil's Comet, it's an enigma. With its peculiar orbit, this celestial wanderer has earned an ominous nickname. A tale of terror and wonder, it's a cosmic ballet choreographed by gravity. Now, let's journey back in time and see how ancient cultures perceived these celestial nomads. Comets, throughout history, have been both revered and feared. From the ancient Greeks and Romans to the Mayans and Chinese, these celestial phenomena stirred a potpourri of emotions and interpretations. To the Greeks, they were hair of the gods, or cometes, blazing across the firmament. The Romans, on the other hand, often saw them as portents of political upheaval or imminent disaster. Moving across the globe, we find the Mayans, who saw comets as agents of change, often associating them with the transitions of their complex calendar system. Meanwhile, in the Far East, the Chinese diligently tracked these celestial visitors, meticulously recording their appearance in royal observatories. Their interpretations were equally varied, from omens of impending war to signals of the heavens' pleasure or displeasure with the ruling dynasty. Over time, these ancient beliefs have influenced our modern perceptions of comets, infusing them with a sense of awe, mystery, and sometimes apprehension. Even today, the appearance of a particular bright comet in the sky can ignite wonder and speculation among stargazers and scientists alike. Our understanding of these icy travelers has indeed come a long way from the mysticism of ancient cultures. Yet they continue to captivate us, offering tantalizing clues about the origins of our solar system and the universe beyond. As we've seen, comets have always gripped the human imagination, but none more so than the notorious Devil's Comet. The Devil's Comet, a harbinger of doom, or simply a misunderstood traveler of the cosmos? This celestial enigma, first discovered by the keen-eyed astronomer Theophilus Hell, has been traversing our night sky for centuries, appearing in a predictable pattern every 666 years. Its ominous orbit, synchronized with the number of the beast, has fueled countless superstitions and folklore tales, painting it as a harbinger of doom. Historical sightings of the Devil's Comet are steeped in tales of woe and disaster. From the fall of empires to inexplicable plagues, each appearance was believed to bring calamity, striking fear into the hearts of those who gazed upon its fiery tail. The comet's scarlet hue, a product of its unique composition, only intensified the fear and fascination surrounding it. Yet the Devil's Comet's ominous reputation is more fiction than fact, a product of our primal fear of the unknown. From a scientific perspective, this comet is no different from the countless others that journey across our cosmos. Composed primarily of rock, dust, and ices, its distinct crimson trail is the result of high concentrations of iron oxide, also known as rust. The hysteria surrounding the Devil's Comet is also fueled by its trajectory, which brings it uncomfortably close to our home planet. Yet fear not, for this celestial traveler poses no direct threat. While its path does intersect with Earth's orbit, the chances of a catastrophic collision are astronomically low, thanks to the precise timing of its visits. Over the centuries, the Devil's Comet has transformed from a symbol of doom to a subject of scientific fascination. Its unique orbit, composition, and historical significance make it a favorite among astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. So, is the Devil's Comet a sign of impending doom or just a cosmic coincidence? Only time will tell. Let's take a moment to understand the different such types of celestial bodies. Asteroids. These are rocky leftovers from the formation of our solar system, mostly found in a giant ring between Mars and Jupiter, called the asteroid belt. They're like the building rubble left over from a cosmic construction project. Asteroids come in all shapes and sizes, but none are big enough to be considered planets. Comets. Unlike asteroids, comets are icy dirt balls. They're also leftovers from the solar system's formation, but hail from the far fringes, way beyond Neptune. Comets are essentially frozen time capsules containing dust, ice, and frozen gases. When they venture near the sun, the ice heats up, spewing out gas and dust, forming a glowing tail, the iconic comet feature. This dirty snowball with a glowing tail is what makes comets so visually distinct. Meteors, meteoroids, and meteorites. These are all related, but at different stages of their fiery demise. A meteoroid is a small chunk of rock or ice floating in space. When it enters Earth's atmosphere, it heats up due to friction and burns up, creating a streak of light in the sky. That's what we call a meteor, commonly known as a shooting star. If the meteoroid is lucky enough to survive the fiery journey and crash lands on Earth, it becomes a meteorite, a space rock you can actually hold. Other celestial bodies. There are dwarf planets like Pluto, which are leftovers that weren't quite massive enough to clear their orbital neighborhood. We also have Kuiper Belt objects, KBOs, which are icy and rocky objects similar to comets but residing beyond Neptune. The solar system is full of leftovers, each with its own story to tell. Most comets originate in the Oort cloud, a giant spherical cloud of icy objects way beyond Pluto. This Oort cloud is like a cosmic refrigerator. So far out it feels the influence of other stars, meaning some comets whizzing by us might be visitors from interstellar space. The classic dusty tail most people associate with comets is caused by sunlight pushing dust away from the nucleus. But there's also a fainter, bluish ion tail caused by the solar wind, charged particles from the sun pushing on gases like water vapor. Double the tails, double the spectacle. Comets are icy time capsules. An analysis of their composition reveals organic molecules like amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, and potentially life. Did comets seed life on early Earth? It's a hot topic scientists are actively exploring. Comets can explode. Sometimes, a comet venturing near the sun gets a little too close. The intense heat can cause the icy nucleus to crack and release a massive burst of gas and dust. This spectacular event is called a cometary disintegration and can be even brighter than a typical comet outburst. While not as common as the rings around gas giants like Saturn, some comets have been observed to have faint rings made of dust particles. These rings are much smaller and fainter than their planetary counterparts, but still a reminder of the surprises lurking in the cosmos. Comets, like the Devil's Comet, continue to captivate us, a testament to our eternal fascination with the cosmos. Our journey with these celestial bodies has been a remarkable one. From the throes of fear and superstition, where comets were ominous harbingers of doom, to a place of understanding and fascination, our perception has evolved significantly. The Devil's Comet, a symbol of our transformation, stands as a beacon of our newfound appreciation. This shift was no small feat. It was the relentless pursuit of scientific exploration that dispelled the myths and shed light on the true nature of these cosmic travelers. Our desire to decode the universe, to peer into the celestial unknown, has propelled us into a new era of space exploration. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe, our fascination only grows. As we continue to explore the cosmos, let the Devil's Comet remind us of the mysteries that still await us in the vast expanse of space. Thanks for joining this cosmic adventure with Sci-Sips. If the Devil's Comet gave you chills, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for weekly doses of mind-blowing science. We'll be your guides through the wonders of the universe, so hit that subscribe button and join the Sci-Sips fam.